Samsung has launched a new deal in the United States, and if you were thinking about buying the Galaxy S26 Plus, this might be the right time to do it. The phone is still very new, only a couple of months old, but Samsung is already offering a solid discount on the unlocked version, and the savings are not small. Right now, buyers can get an instant $175 discount on the Galaxy S26 Plus through Samsung's official US online store. That brings the price of the 256GB model down from $1,024.99. If you want more storage, the 512GB version is also included in the offer. That model drops from $1,299 to $1,120 for a phone this new. That is a serious price cut. Samsung is known for offering strong promotions on its website, especially in the US market. Sometimes these deals include trade-ins, bundles, or special carrier offers. But this one is different because it gives a flat discount without needing to send in an old phone. That is important for many buyers. Not everyone has a device worth trading in. Some people want to keep their old phone as a backup. Others may already sold their previous device or use it for work, travel, or family members. In those cases, a direct price cut is often better than a trade-in deal. But there is one thing to know: this $175 offer does not stack with Samsung's trade-in program. That means you have two choices. You can take the flat discount, or you can trade in your current phone and accept whatever value Samsung offers for it. Samsung says trade-ins can be worth up to $480 depending on the model and condition. So for some users, the trade-in may still be the better option. But if your old phone has low value, the instant $175 discount could make more sense. Now let's talk about the Galaxy S26 Plus itself. This phone sits in a very interesting spot in Samsung's lineup. It offers a larger screen and bigger battery than the base Galaxy S26, while staying more affordable than the Ultra model. For many people, that makes it the sweet spot. You get flagship performance, premium design, strong cameras, and a large display without paying the highest price in the range. Some users love the Ultra, but not everyone needs an S Pen, giant zoom camera, or the extra cost. That is where the S26 Plus becomes attractive. It is built for people who want a premium phone that feels complete, but still offers better value than the top-tier model. And now with this discount, the value gets even better. Dropping below $1,000 for the 256GB unlocked version makes the phone easier to justify. It also becomes more competitive against rivals from Apple, Google, and OnePlus. Unlocked models are especially useful because they give users more freedom. You are not tied to one carrier, and you can switch networks more easily if needed. Samsung also lets buyers choose activation options with Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T directly from the product page if they prefer carrier service. There is also another way to save. Samsung says buyers can get extra bundle discounts when purchasing the Galaxy S26 Plus, with accessories like the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro or Galaxy Watch Ultra. So if you were already planning to upgrade your earbuds or smartwatch, bundling everything together could lower the total cost even more. Of course, these promotions usually do not last forever. Samsung often rotates deals depending on inventory, season, or upcoming product launches. That means the current pricing may disappear once the offer ends, so should you buy it now? If you already wanted the Galaxy S26 Plus, this is one of the better times to jump in. The phone is still fresh, the discount is real, and you do not need a trade-in to get it. If you are still deciding between models, think about what you actually need. Want the best camera and every extra feature? Look at the Ultra. Want a smaller phone? The base model may suit you. But if you want balance, premium features, and a better price, the Galaxy S26 Plus is hard to ignore right now. Samsung has taken one of its newest flagship phones and made it significantly cheaper in just a few months, and for smart buyers, that can be the perfect time to upgrade.